Bad dream?
Sorry kung nagising kita.
Ganda pa naman ang dream ko. Kumukonsit ako sa MOA. Sobrang daming tao. Standing ovation. Tapos sumisigaw sila, "Ooh! Anel! Anel!"
Dahan-dahan lang. Akala ko ba okay na siya?
I told you before that was just our hope. This is the reality.
So anong options natin?
She has to stay. Kailangan pa siyang i-observe ng ilang weeks.
Wala akong pera para doon.
Pasensya ka na, Liv. Sana may papang paraan. I suggest na ilipat siya sa ward para makamura kayo.
Hindi. Last time may kahati na kami sa kwarto. Hindi nakatulog si Anel. Mas lalo lang siyang lumala.
Mukhang ikaw ang hindi nakakatulog. You need another prescription? Kailangan ka ni Anel, Liv.
Jem, pwede lang pumunta sa office niyo. May dala na rin akong resume. Wala ba talaga? Kahit ano lang. Papatulong ko kahit anong tama. Shit! Tawagan kita ulit! Ah!
What school that you came from? My sister's from that school, so parents naman are actually all of them speak in English. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. That's good. Yeah. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a job. LGO, the call center, right?
Yes. Ma'am, this job fair is for students only.
I know.
You're gonna have to leave.
Please.
Sorry, I'll need to report you.
Look, I'm sorry. The past few months have been extremely rough. If you can just take a look at this. I'm the hardest worker you'll ever find. I don't care if I have to deliver coffee to 100 supervisors or pull double shifts. I really, really need the job. But if you still plan on reporting me, I will fight you. Tooth and nail right here, right now. Because I have everything riding on this.
I'm going to ignore the fact that you threatened me for the simple reason that you spoke better English than anyone who has applied so far. I'm gonna schedule you for training tomorrow. Does that work for you? Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
Okay. Oh, we'll be needing this. Even though
Sorry.
it's really wet.
Tanda-tanda na kailangan pang ayusan. Joke lang.
Sorry. It's been a while.
First stagitis lang yan. Yan. Super pretty mo na.
Palagi naman, di ba? Kutosan kaya kita. Gusto mo? Tandahan. hate that I have to leave you.
Bakit nga ba gabi yung trabaho mo?
Ganun talaga sa call center eh. Pero okay lang. At least pag umaga, nandito ako. Ayaw mo nun. Magkasama tayo palagi.
Paano kayo matutulog?
Huwag mo nang problemahin yun. Hmm? I'll stay until you fall asleep. Hmm? Okay, fine. I'll stay until you pretend to fall asleep. Good night.
Good night, ma.
Nandito lang ako ah.
Alam ko.
Kung may kailangan...
Ma, go. Good luck.
Welcome to Liboro House. How may I help you?
It's my first day. LGO.
Name, please.
Olivia Sason.
Here you go. 4th floor.
Thank you.
Hello, may tao ba dyan? Hello?
Down.
Hi everyone, my name is Lance. I'm a team manager here at LGO and I will be your trainer for the next 7 days. So, I hope to get to know each and every one of you over the next few weeks. We're all family here. We're a family now. So don't hesitate to come to me for anything. All right? A quick trip down memory lane. Liboro House used to be a settlement for survivors back in World War II. The family's patriarch, Dr. Jaime Liboro, bought the entire building and turned it into one of Manila's best hospitals in the 70s, only to be reopened and remodeled into where we all are now. So lucky us, huh? Hi.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, please take a seat. Some housekeeping tips. LGO is currently the only office in the entire building. The second and third floors are all under renovation. So please be careful when walking around. We don't want any accidents. Yeah? So once again, let me start off by saying welcome.
Mentor ko po kayo.
Wonderful, crazy,
Ha?
stressful world
Mentor?
of LGO.
Para po sa training.
Top providers in the world.
Ay, hindi.
Excited to have you all on board.
Trainee din ako.
As your TL, it's my duty to be honest with you and tell you that this job isn't for
Cool. Touch me.
hours long and you'll be handling overseas clients, some with 12
I'm Mimi.
I'm Olivia.
Kerry, alam ko na yan. Professional trainee, present.
Ha?
Promise, hindi ka chuchu. Nandito lang ako para sa training allowance. Pag actual work na, fine ako sa next BPO.
Questions at the back?
No, sorry. Sorry, sir. I can teach you the ways of a professional trainee.
Thank you for calling TSB Bank. How can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. I can do that for you.
We can have the late fee reversed if you want, ma'am. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Sure.
Yes, sir. Sure, I can help you with that.
Thank you for calling.
Which client are you assigned to?
Huh?
Which client?
TSB Bank card, ma'am.
Okay, I'd like to know what my outstanding balance is. Use your system. You're taking too long. I'd like to cancel my credit card, please.
Ma'am, please wait. I don't know.
You don't know.
I'm sorry. It's my first day.
And it will be your last. If you do not know this system by end of day. And that goes for all of you. Lance,
Yes, Miss Karen?
if they fail, it's on you.
Yes, Miss Karen.
Sir Lance, sino yun? Sorry.
Karen Liboro, COO of LGO.
Child of owner?
Don't worry. I'll help you out through the systems, okay?
Thank you, sir.
I'm not too sure I need a new credit card.
Yes, ma'am, but you'll be happy to know that our new cards balance transfer program only has an interest rate of 0.88%.
Okay, that sounds good. Send me the email.
All right, ma'am, we'll do that right now. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nope, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling TSB Bank Card. Have a nice day, ma'am.
I don't know what to do. I mean, on one hand, alam ko namang kayang-kayang sagutin ni Vince yung MA ko sa arts kung pakasalan ko siya. Pero parang di pa ata ako ready. Paano ba to? Liv! Advice, please?
Sorry. Hindi yata ako yung best person para magbigay ng relationship advice. I was never married.
Pero may anak ka, di ba? Mahirap pa talaga.
Mahirap. Pagka nagkaanak ka, may takot kang mararamdaman. Kasi hawak mo yung buhay niya.
What do you mean?
May sakit kasi yung anak ko eh. Congenital heart defect. She needs to be operated on soon, pero wala akong pera.
I'm so sorry, Liv.
It's okay. Pero alam mo, yung takot na yun, yun din yung bigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob. Pag naging nanay ka, bawal yung mga salitang imposible, hindi ko kaya. Kaya kahit matagal nang ganito yung sitwasyon namin dalawa ni Anel, kaya ko. Mahirap, oo. Pero sa tuwing nakikita ko si Anel, worth it. Worth it talaga lahat.
Okay. I've decided.
Huh?
I'm staying.
Anong staying?
Here! Sa LGO.
Ano nangyari dun sa pagiging professional trainee mo?
Ikaw kasi, nakakainis ka eh. Alam mo yung... Kahit na ang hirap ng pinagdadaanan mo, kinakaya mo pa rin. Naka-oras na kasi na maging responsable ako. Thank you, tita.
Tita talaga?
Okay, fine, sis.
Pwede. Thank you for calling TSB Bank Card. This is Olivia. How may I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I just wanted to know how much available balance I have on my credit card.
Sure, sir. Can I have your number, please?
Yeah, it's 990.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Who was that? You got a kid there or something?
No, sir. I thought it was on your end. Anyway, can I have your number again?
It's 9902.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Look, this is getting pretty annoying. I'll call back later.
I apologize for the disturbance, sir.
Guys, relax, okay? It's like it will take some time to fix the electrical issues. Just sit tight, all right? Liv?
What's up, sir?
Just heard about your daughter from HR. I'm so sorry. I just want you to know that I put in a good word for you with Karen so that we can speed up your regularization.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's no problem. But you're gonna have to prove you deserve it. Karen will keep a closer eye on you, that's for sure. But I believe in you. Yeah, that's all I have to say.
Thank you again, sir.
Lance. Family, remember? All right.
Yes, sir, I understand, but can... Sir? Sir? Nakakasasya, grabe talaga.
Ano problema niya?
Eh kasi na-double charge yung card niya. Ngayon may gusto siyang bilhin, eh nade-decline niya kasi nga kinain ng double charge yung available balance niya. Ayan, galit na galit, naghahanap ng supervisor. Eh sinabi ko lahat ng TL natin nasa meeting.
Pass the call to me. Sabihin mo supervisor mo.
Eh, nag-logout ka na.
Kung hindi natin gagawin to, hindi ka matatapos dyan. Plus, mas makikinig siya sa akin kung akala niya na supervisor mo ko.
Sure ka ha?
Transfer mo sa local ko, 3211.
Hi, sir. Can I transfer you to my supervisor? Okay, please hold.
Hello, Mr. Morgan. This is Olivia, Mimi supervisor. How can I help you today?
Tulog ka na muna, ma.
Hindi, okay lang ako.
Gusto mo ng lalabay? Pampatulog?
Trabaho ko yan.
Ako naman, ma. Eto, wrote you a song.
Talaga?
Wait, pretend to sleep muna. Na-conscious ako bigla eh.
Sus, sige
Ma.
na.
Pretend to sleep na lang muna. Please, ma.
Okay.
Welcome to LGO Customer Service. This is Olivia. How can I help you today?
Liv. Did you really pretend to be Mimi's supervisor in a call last night?
Yes, sir.
You know, that was against the rules. Not to mention risky and irresponsible.
I'm sorry, sir. I was helping out Mimi.
Karen listened to the recordings. And she was impressed. Turns out, the customer was the son of a VIP client, and you handled the situation well. So, Karen has agreed to fast-track your employment status. You are now a regular employee, Ms. Sazon, with all the company benefits.
Seryoso?
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hey, I know it's late or early, but would you like to celebrate over some drinks?
I'm sorry, sir, but I have to get back to my daughter.
Oh, it's okay. I understand. Take care. Bye. Oh, sorry.
Anong ginagawa mo dito? May kasama ka ba? Mami mo? Ako si Olivia. Ikaw, what's your name?
Nerissa po.
Nerissa. Ang ganda ng pangalan mo. Alika, baba tayo. Baka may naghahanap sa'yo doon. Teka, sandali ah. Halika. Sundan mo lang ako ha. Halika. Okay ka lang? Nerissa? Okay ka lang? Nerissa? Nerissa? Miss, ayaw.
Ma'am, hindi kayo nag-tap out last night.
Kasi ako nag-brown out nung umalis ako.
Oh, may I ask what time you left last night for the log?
Mga 4.
Ma'am, hindi naman nag-brown out nung time na yun.
What? Impossible.
Anyway, here you go.
Thank you. Thank you for calling TSB Bank Card. This is Olivia. How can I help you? Hello? Hello, who's this?
Tulong. Tulong.
Larissa?
Mama, gusto rin ako.
Liv? You okay?
Sir, can I take my break early?
Sure. You take all the time you need.
Thank you. You okay?
Olivia,
Dok, anong nangyari?
something happened to Anel. Can you come? Hello, Liv.
Hello?
Liv, are you there?
Hello?
Liv.
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Liv!
Anel? Ano nangyari?
Si Anel nagka-seizure kanina.
What?
But something else happened after. Something I can't quite explain.
Ano?
Nung chinek namin ang heartbeat niya nung huminahon siya, nawala yung abnormal heart murmur niya.
Bigla na lang nawala?
Oo, kaya kagad ako nagpa-order ng scan. Ang resulta, normal. Like she never had it in the first place.
What are you saying?
Ma, okay na ako.
Pero syempre, masyado pang maaga para sabihin habang wala pang mga test at check-up. Kapag naging okay ang lahat ng test, ilang araw lang, makakauwi na si Anel.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank whoever's watching over Anel.
Anel, are you all set? Anel?
Ma. Hi.
Ma'am, excuse me po. Ito na po yung medical bill.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, but we don't give advances, even if you show the hospital bill.
Eh, paano nga ho yun? Eh, kulang yung coverage ng HMO.
I don't know what else to tell you.
Sorry, Olivia. Company policy. Olivia. Hey. Are you okay? Sorry about earlier. I just had to say what I had to say in front of HR. But, here.
Sir.
It's okay.
Sir! Sir!
What?
Anong ginagawa mo?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I locked the door.
Bitawan mo! No! Sir! Bitawan mo ako! Bitawan mo ako! Sir!
Naninibago ka? Anel? Kinakausap kita.
Sorry.
Napagod ka lang siguro. May ano?
May mga boses. Kinakausap niya ako.
Boses? Ano sinasabi mo?
Hindi ko alam. Ano to? Tulong. Nandun pa rin ako. Hawak ka. Ma.
Wala. Just go back to sleep.
Kainis naman. Nalimutan ko na lang mag-drop cell. Ako rin. Nakakatamad ko lang. Talaga.
okay?
Evening, guys.
Hi, sir!
All right, before we start, I just want to give a shout out to Olivia. Just had a special day. I just heard the news that her daughter, who's been in the hospital, is finally home. That's great news.
Thanks, Olivia.
Congrats, Olivia. All right, another news. This week's top agent.
Top agent, no!
And the winner is Mimi. Hey, English, guys.
So, sir, what's the prize this week?
How about a date with me?
Sorry, sir, but I have a boyfriend.
That's all right, because, you know, what happens in LGO
Stays in LGO!
Tapos, yun. Tumakbo na ako. Magsusumbong sana ako sa pulis. Pero pinili kong gamitin yung cheque.
Shit. Shit. Lance?
Masama ba akong tao, Mimi? Kasi ginamit ko pa rin yung pera.
No. Of course not. Iniisip mo lang si Anel. Look, walang ibang masamang tao kundi yung baboy na yan, okay? Okay?
Detective si Lance.
I know we are all shocked and saddened by the passing of a friend. He was everything an LGO employee should aspire to be. He will be sorely missed. But knowing Lance, he would have wanted us to be strong, to push forward, despite this tragedy. More importantly, if any of you know anything about what might have happened to him, I urge you to please talk to the police.
Your father is going to pull the plug.
What? He can't do that.
Yes, he can. People, please disregard everything that Miss Liboro just said. Effective immediately, Liboro Global Outsourcing will be temporarily closed while the investigation is ongoing.
Paano yung sahod?
Do not worry, people. We will take care of everything.
Anak, kain na. Anak?
Now he thinks that we are inspiring today's youth to be today's conservationists.
Oh, nabuhay si Teddy ah.
Natagpo ang patay sa loob ng isang elevator ang isang matagal ng team leader na si Lance Santos sa Liboro Global Outsourcing o LGO, isang BPO na pinamumunuan ni Karen Liboro. Nakita sa CCTV ng establishmento si Santos na maagang dumating bago ang kanyang shift at nang makapasok sa elevator ay hindi na nakapasok sa production floor ng LGO. Natagpuan na lumuan ayon sa unang pag-iimbestiga ng mga pulis na namatid siya sa pagkakasakay. Subaybayan ang susunod na mga balita tungkol dito ngayong gabi.
Matagal ka lang hindi tumutugtog. Can you play something for me? Anel? Anel? Nerissa? Bakit mo to ginagawa?
Nakita kita. Alala ko nanay ko. Gusto ko lang siya makita ulit.
Paano mo nagawa to kay Anel?
Di mo kasi ako marinig dati. Ito lang yung paraan.
Ano ba nangyari sa'yo?
Tagal ko nang gusto pero di ako makalabas dun.
Sa Liboro House?
Hanggang sa nilabas mo ko. Pangalan ng nanay ko ay si Perla. Gusto ko na siyang makita.
Pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan ang nanay mo.
Alam ko. Nararamdaman ko na siya. Dahil nasa labas na ako, nararamdaman ko na siya.
Pag tinulungan kita, iiwan mo pa kami ng anak ko. Pwede ba ako magtanong? Si Lance, may alam ka ba sa nangyari sa kanya?
Masamang tao siya. Sinaktan ka niya. Masamang tao siya. Sinaktan ka niya.
Nerissa, Nerissa.
Hindi ka pa natuwa sa nangyari sa kanya. Masamang tao siya. Parang lahat ng mga tao sa lugar na yan. Masamang tao siya! Masamang tao siya! Masamang tao siya! Masamang tao! Masamang tao siya! Ano nangyari sa akin?
It's okay. It's okay. Nandito si Mama, ha? Aayusin ko to. Ayusin ko to. It's okay. Okay lang kung hindi ka naniniwala sa akin.
Hindi, okay naman. Naniniwala naman ako sa'yo, pero medyo marami lang akong kailangan i-process. So, ano na?
Nerissa?
Diretso lang. Okay.
Try ko na lang, Mimi. Hindi siya nakakatakot. This is so crazy.
Kanan.
dito ka na lang. May pupuntahan pa tayo.
Sure ka?
Mag-ingat ka.
Dito. Dito siya.
Nandito siya? Kayo si Perla? Bakit?
Nanay? Nanay? Nay! Nanay! Nanay!
Hindi ako ang nanay mo.
Nanay! Ako si Nerissa.
Saan mo narinig ang pangalan yan? Sino kayo? Teresa? Anak, ikaw ba yan? Anak ko. Diyos ko, anak ko. Empleyado lang po ako sa ospital noon. Tagalinis po. Doon po kami nakatira ni Nerissa dahil wala naman po akong asawa na mag-aalaga sa kanya. Tapos isang araw, bigla lang nagkasakit si Nerissa. Ang sabi ng doktor, nagka-TB si Nerissa. Namatay siya. Yun ang sabi sa akin.
Hindi yan totoo, Nay.
Pagkatapos ng pinalayas nila ako sa ospital, hindi na raw nila ako kailangan. Hanggang ngayon, hindi nila sinabi sa akin kung bakit nila ako pinatalsik at kung bakit nila tinago si Nerissa.
Sinaktan nila ako, Nay. Pinatay nila ako.
Bakit? Wala kang kasalanan, anak. Wala kami ginagawang masama sa kanila.
Sila ang masama.
Perla, nangako ako kay Nerissa na dadalhin kita kung nasan siya. Kung makukuha natin ang mga labi niya, matatahimik ka tayong lahat.
Alam mo po kung nasaan siya.
Hello, Dad. Care to explain to me why you shut me down?
Your father is very weak.
And I wasn't talking to you.
You know that the Liboro house was a tenement before we came. What you probably didn't know was that we didn't exactly deal with the squatters the right way. Most of them were thrown out right before we started building the hospital. There was this woman. Her name was Perla. She approached me. She begged me that I allow her to stay. I hired Perla as maintenance staff. You know what? She didn't even ask for anything except to allow her to stay in that old room of hers at the basement. Perla was always pleasant. The daughter, Teresa, was always strange. But damn it, that whole building was always so strange. The hospital was doing very well. We were making money. But there was something was happening to the place, to the people. Like there was this energy that was forcing people to get sick, to leave, and disappear. People called the building cursed. I called it bullshit. I do not believe on those old wives' tales.
Until what?
Your mother was friends with Perla and Nerissa for a very long time. She was always so kind. That is what killed her.
No. No, you told me she got sick. You told me she got sick, Dad. What happened?
Gusto mo siya. Ito.
So the family used all of our influence. We told the police that Nerissa and her mother just ran away. But the truth is, she never left. I burned that room. What I should have done was burn the whole building. I should not have allowed you to convince me to give you that place.
I don't understand. How could a child do this on her own?
She didn't.
Sure ka ba dito? Yung si area ng bayan.
Anong ginagawa mo? Professional trainee moves. Rule number 1, always flirt with the head of security.
May susi ka rin ba dito?
Sis, ngayon ko lang nalaman may gantong lugar pala dito.
Mimi, tulungan mo ko.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Sige, mauna ka na.
Ha?
Mauna ka na. Sige po. Nasaan siya? Nasaan si Nerissa? Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka, Nerissa? Magsalita ka, nasaan ka?
Hindi tama tong lugar na to.
Huwag na lang kayong matakot, mga iha.
Parang awan ka, huwag mo kami sasaktan. Parang awan nila, huwag mo kami sasaktan. Nerissa, ano ginagawa mo? Bakit mo ito ginagawa?
Sa wakas, magawa ulit.
Magawa ano?
Yung hindi natapos.
Tulungan mo ako, please. Please, anak, tulungan mo ako.
Anel, tulungan mo ako, Anel.
Alumis ka na otin, Jonathan otin. Alumis ka na otin, Jonathan otin. Alumis ka na otin, Jonathan otin. Alumis ka na otin. dito nagsimula, hindi ito matutuloy. Matanda na ako. Maganda ka. Mahina na ako. Malakas ka.
Bakit ito ginagawa? Bakit mo ito ginagawa? Bakit mo ito ginagawa? Bakit ito ginagawa?
Ikaw na ang sunod.
Anak? Nasaan ka? Anak, please?
Carissa, wag! Labanan mo siya. Labanan mo siya!
Patayin ko siya! Patayin ko siya!
Carissa, wag!
Patayin! Patayin!
Carissa! Kung papatayin mo siya, mawawala ka rin. Hindi ka na makakabalik sa kanya.
Gusto ko lang, nanay.
Wala nang nanay mo. Wala na si Perla. Umalis ka na. Ibalik mo na sa akin ang anak ko, please.
Gusto mo siya? Eto!
Anel, patay si Mama.
Wala na siya! Ma?
Anak.
Umalis ka! Umalis ka! Umalis ka! Dito lang ako, ma. Tuloy mo na. Dito lang ako, ma. Sige na, ma. Pagod na ako. Dito lang ako. Anel, gumising ka! Anel, gising! Gumising ka! Gising, Anel! Gumising ka! Anel! Anel, gumising ka! Gising! 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 Gumising ka! Anel!
How is she?
She's stable. But her heart is weak. Bumalik nung binitawan siya ni Nerissa.
I'm sorry about Anel. I'm sorry about Mimi.
Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan namin, nandito na naman kami.
You don't have to worry about anything. I'll take care of everything. Anel is going to be fine. You need to rest. Come on. The police are waiting downstairs.
Dito lang ako.
The sooner we talk to them, the sooner we can come back here to Anel. Come on, let's go.
Sorry, ma'am.
Liv. Maniwala ka. Magiging maayos ang lahat. Huwag ka na lang matakot, Iha.